Hello, it's Marie 85. This is the birdhouse I was talking about that I made with popsicle sticks and hot glue. I'll put some string on the top so you can hang it or you can nail it. There's a flat surface in the back. And then the bottom is how I made the floor to start it. And if you look in the corners, you cut them flat on the end and then glue them together to get your shape going. Kind of looks neat together with the little carriage I made. All I need is a little horse and the rest of the little farm animals. I'll have a little farm going. If you like it, just leave me a comment. I'll show you how I did it. Thank you for watching Marie 85.